Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails in Gmail. Open Gmail account and compose new email. Enter email address here. Write your email subject here. Write down your email message here in this box. Now click here. You can see schedule send button. Click on it. It popped up timings. Either you can select these three predefined timings or manually select date and time. Click here and select the date. Like I want to send email on 29th June at 7 am. Click on schedule button. You can see it created schedule folder in left bar navigation. Open this folder to check scheduled emails. The benefit of scheduling email is you can cancel it anytime. Make changes in it and schedule it again with different time like this. It will be sent on your given time. I hope this video will help you to schedule emails. If you want to learn more tricks, subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.